Are you ready to unlock the secret to websites that look stunning on every device, from desktop to mobile? We're diving into Webflow's responsive design features first. Let's talk about breakpoints. See these icons at the top? They represent different screen sizes. Webflow starts with your desktop design, and then you adjust for smaller screens. Click on the tablet icon to start customizing the layout for tablets. Notice how you can tweak element sizes, spacing, and even visibility without affecting the desktop version. This is the beauty of breakpoints. Next, we will work with flexible layouts to create the look that we want. Now, switch to mobile landscape and mobile portrait views here. You'll likely need to make more drastic adjustments. Consider stacking elements vertically for easier scrolling on smaller screens. Flexbox and Grid are your best friends for creating dynamic layouts. These tools allow elements to resize and rearrange themselves automatically based on screen size. Experiment with different alignment and justification settings to achieve the desired look. Don't forget about optimizing images and text. Reduce image file sizes to improve loading times on mobile. Adjust text sizes for readability on smaller screens, ensuring a seamless user experience. Remember to test your website on actual mobile devices or using Webflow's preview mode to catch any potential issues. With these tips, you'll be building mobile responsive websites that wow your audience, no matter how they're viewing your content.